Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled The Last Crusade Episode 2 by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells Indiana Jones never listens. We told him that forbidden templates are dangerous, but there he is, dashing through a moving labyrinth and risking his life. Dodge the trap and help him find his way out of this highway to hell. Beware of rolling stones. In this puzzle, you have to use an associative array that maps arbitrary types to directions. You compute the list of all possible actions from a complex environment. Lots of different variables. The goal of the puzzle is to select rooms to pivot from a two-dimensional grid to help Indiana Jones find his way to the exit. Let's dive into the code. Read initial values. Define a map of directions and turns. Find position function returns in this new movement according to current position of a stone. Find exit functions returns a new path to an exit. Find rock road function. Find stone function returns a position of a stone. And now a main game loop. Let's use all these functions and help Indy. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Skynet Episode 2 and pathfinding in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.